Just a quick video to show you how I prep my hair. So I've gotten out of the shower and I have my hair back in a bun. Did my makeup. I'm just going to use a wig comb. And I'm going to, you can use any comb, obviously. I'm just downstairs here. So I split my hair about even. Impossible. My hair is usually one side's a little thicker than the other. So as you can see, my hair comes down to right about my collarbone, a little longer. So I just take my hair. All I have is those clear little elastics. So I'm going to go ahead and braid my hair. So I just take one half that I just split and separated. Hopefully I can do this relatively well. So I grab 3 sections of each half. I try and do them about as equal as possible, and I just braid it down behind my ears. So just braiding this. Now where my braid is, like where it comes down attached to my head, that actually helps create a little bit of a butt, I call it, for my wig band to sit at. So once I've got it braided about as far down as I want to go, I take my little elastic, wrap that bad boy around the end about 4 times, maybe 3, I don't know. My hair's thin. Your hair may be thicker. If your hair is thicker, I would suggest instead of splitting it into 2 braids, maybe do 4. And you're going to have to play with it. The whole thing about prepping your hair is to just get it as flat as possible to your head. That may be a little bit different for each wig, and you're going to find it. You might have to play around a little bit at first to figure out what works for you. But once you find it, you stick with it. Now, am I going to tell you there aren't times I braid my hair 3 times in the morning because I didn't get it to braid equally or something like that? Yes, but the braiding doesn't take that long. So my hair is wet. Braiding from wet hair, or it's pretty damp. Braiding from wet hair is not going to hurt your wig. It's not going to hurt your hair. Again, I just have some leave-in conditioner in my own hair. And then I braid it. Finish off. So I cut my hair, I guess, I don't know, in the beginning of the summer to like shoulder length. Probably need another haircut next time I take Noah. Anyway, take that elastic and I just go ahead, tie this off. Again, I'm just using those clear elastics. You can get like 800 of them or some kind of crazy number for like $5 on Amazon. As you can see, I have about this much hair left. Now I take it, I use, snap clip barrettes. This is my preference over a bobby pin. Again, very personal. So I take my hair now. Let me go ahead and show you the back. Hopefully you can see this. So I have 2 braids. I'm going to take them. I'm going to crisscross them like this. Sometimes I go up like this. Sometimes I go like so. And sometimes like so. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm just going to pin down my hair. And I try and flip that little end of mine flat. And I find when it's wet, I can actually get this a little better because then it doesn't poke through any wefting or anything. So that's why I try to come up a little closer to here. Pin it right here. So here we go. My hair is prepped and ready. Wig band aside. See you guys at 5. Well, yeah, see ya.